Welcome to the world of thrill. The Pulsar 125 is the entry to the Pulsar Mania. It's a great machine for the premium commuters who have always wanted a sports motorcycle with outstanding performance, style and thrill at an amazing price point. The powerful DTSI engine delivering 11.8 PS power and 10.8 Nm torque gives an unmatched pickup, which is perfect for riders looking for their daily dose of thrill. The shock absorption hardware includes telescopic front forks and gas-charged twin rear springs, while the braking setup comprises a 240mm disc at the front and a drum unit at the back. Pulsar 125 Carbon Fiber Edition takes the style quotient to another level, with cool carbon fiber graphics on the belly pan, front fender, tank and rear cowl unit. With Pulsar 125 Neon, you can flaunt your sporty side with striking 3D logos, neon highlights and black alloy wheels. It's time to break free from boring 125cc bikes.